In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drill down on a table in Power BI. If you've ever tried to click into a basic table to see subcategories and nothing happened, that's because true drill down behavior lives in the matrix visual. It looks like a table, but it understands hierarchies, which is exactly what we need. Start by swapping your current table for a matrix. Select the visual on your report canvas, then change its type to matrix in the visualizations pane. You'll still get a clean grid, but now it's built to expand and collapse levels. This single change unlocks drill down without changing your actual data. Next, build your hierarchy in the rows well. Drag your main category field into rows first, then place your subcategory field directly beneath it. The order matters. Think of the top field as the parent and the one below as the child. If you add them in reverse, your drill down will feel backwards. With both fields in the rows area, the matrix recognizes a two-level structure and prepares those handy expand and collapse controls. Now add your numbers to the values well. This could be sales, quantity, count of items, whatever you want to summarize. Power BI will pick a default aggregation, usually sum for numeric fields or count for text. If the totals don't look right, open the drop-down next to the field in values and choose a different aggregation, like average, max, or count distinct, so the numbers tell the correct story. With those pieces in place, the matrix will automatically display drop-down controls. You'll see small expand icons next to each category. Click one to reveal its subcategories without leaving the page. This is your drill-down experience. Start broad at the category level, then expand only where you need more detail. If you don't see the icons, double-check that you put both fields in the rows section in the proper order. You can also make the matrix look more like a table by adjusting formatting, such as turning off stepped layout or tweaking row headers, but that's optional. As you explore, pay attention to context. The matrix respects filters and slicers on the page, so your drill down will only show what's relevant. If totals seem off, confirm that the correct filters are active and that your values aggregation matches your intent. And that's all. By switching to a matrix, placing categories and subcategories in rows, adding your values, and using the built-in drop-down controls, you've enabled clean, intuitive drill down on your data in Power BI.